Hi guys, this is Giacomo Pasquali here, and today I'll show you the brand new KHE Audio Electronics ACS 4x2, an amazing amp cab switcher that made me think how I ever lived without it. Check it out. KHE Audio Electronics is a Swiss brand that has just entered the market with this amazing ACS series, consisting in two different models, the 4x2, the one that I have in my own studio, and the 8x4. Choosing amps and cabinets in studio has always been a little bit tricky for me. Switching between 2, 3 or maybe 4 different setups was not possible in real time, since I discovered this amazing unit that solved all my problems and made me focus only on my tones and my work. Let's see what we have. On the front panel we have a guitar input jack, 4 switches to enable, disable and change amplifiers with their own LEDs, 2 switches to choose cabinets and a control button. On the back panel we find a guitar input again, but this has lower priority than the front one, meaning that if we have the back input plugged in and we plug the front two, this will disable the back one. Then we have our tuner output jack that can be used as a DI output to the interface in combination with a DI box to kill ground loops. Now we find the heart of the ACS, black amp inputs and blue amp outputs. We're going to connect the amp ins to each amplifier input jack, as you will normally do with your guitar, and the amp outs to the speaker output of each amp, where you normally plug your cabinets in. We're going to use these red cabinet jacks to connect our cabinets that I have in the live room of my studio now. Finally, we find the power jack and switch, and the MIDI connection to recall both presets of our favorite combinations with program changes and a single amp cab status with control changes. The ACS has some features that allows our amps to be 100% safe. So we have a dummy load and a muting system for every unused amp, a digital logic to allow only valid routing combinations, and a special mute circuit to make the switching process as silent and fast as possible. The KHE ACS has an additional safety feature, the cabinet detection. If you have no cabinet connected to a cabinet jack, you cannot enable the cabinet. If you now connect the cabinet, the corresponding LED turns on in a dimmed red state. Now you can enable the cabinet and the amplifiers. This makes sure no amplifier gets ever connected to an unused cabinet jack, which would damage the amplifier. The amplifier LED blinks when we have only the amp selected but no cabinet. Now, if we engage a cab, the LED becomes stable. The interface is very smart, having a one-button operation mode. The ACS takes care of the right switching order. In conclusion, I really suggest you to find out this unit. A real killer solution for studio and live switching needs.